Well, there's Bruno. I'm Mike, and welcome back to our garage. Today, video was reached out to a company that the company's name is, well, it's spelled CLSR2U. Now, I'm a fan of reading cryptic license plates, so the closest thing I came up with was closer to you. Well, they reached out and asked me if they could send something out to me and if we would put them on my snow thrower. Said so, after a couple emails back and forth, they sent me this 30 pack of shear pins that you can get off of that online shopping website that is named after that river in South America. Now, these are the shear pins that I have that I bought at the local hardware store, and the part numbers are the same. 738-04124A, and they are the same. Now, here's what impressed me the most. Now, these are made in China, right here in the package. These are made in the USA. I paid $6.99 plus sales tax for those. You can get these off the website for a 30 pack for $19.99 plus your shipping and handling. Now, price per package, I broke it down. These come to about 67 cents a piece. And then you figure in your sales tax and your shipping. These figured out to $1.74 plus your tax. So I do service 3 machines. The one you've seen in the previous video is my own personal machine. My father-in-law and the one that we have at work are the same identical machine. So if you guys are doing something with a small engine shop, or you're kind of in charge of having to, do a bunch of different machines, these will fit the 300, 500, 600 series, but they are the 2-stage snow thrower, and I'll show you that on my unit. And for the years 2005 and after, they fit the 2-stage snow throwers with the 3/4 inch drive shaft, or the impeller shaft. They basically are rated at a grade 2 for hardness, or shear strength, what have you. There is a gentleman on YouTube, along with the rest of us. His name and his channel is Eliminator Performance. Has an excellent video also on the various different shear pins and for the different types of snow blowers for stage 2, stage 3, and then when you get into some of those stage 3, it gets a little funny. But check out his channel. I learned a lot from him on just, one would think shear pins are shear pins. But the agreement was they would send us. I would install them on my machine. They look like they are the same identical shear pin. So let's go ahead and open these up. Come in a nice little Ziploc baggie, and it looks like they come in 10. Oh, hey, 10. Wow, nicely packaged. There's Let's see here. What we got? We got 3 packages. It looks like 10 each. Yeah, I think we can do away with that. Yeah, same pin, same cotter pin. Even the cotter pins are even in their own individual packaging. Let's see here. What am I doing? Oh boy, cold fingers. Yeah, we're up to a wonderful 40 degrees today. Okay, so yeah, there we go. All right, and even the little envelope for the shear pins, Ziploc. So yeah, if you guys are doing, you know, you're gonna find out what works best for you price point wise. But for me, that would probably be the go-to deal. This company is kind of a growing company. I've heard of them before. They do have other snow thrower parts, lawnmower parts, some household items. I'm not aware. I have to look at their website a little closer and break it down. But yeah, I mean, they look fairly decent to me. They look the same. So let's go ahead and get these installed. And I'll take you over to our little area that I've got you all set up for, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we are. Like I said, this is a 2-stage style snow thrower. This is your first stage, and then the impeller back here is your second stage, and that's what throws it on out the chute. Most of you guys that are familiar with 2-stage snow throwers pretty much know how they operate. I went ahead and took the liberty already of taking out the cotter pins, but they just slide right through. If they ever break or shear, do what they're supposed to do when you drive over something, sometimes depending on how corroded or how wedged in there, that one's in there pretty good. You might have to tap them out. Ew. Maybe that was a good idea to pull these out, because as you can see, those are pretty corroded. Not that that would probably help with their tensile strength, but if they ever did shear off, then yeah, chances are you'd probably have to tap those out. So, I had to replace a couple of them. The first year I had it, my driveway is not perfectly smooth. It caught a piece of concrete, threw it up in there, and sheared the 2 on this side here. So I ended up replacing those. So yeah, looks like I might have to re-edge my scraper blade. Of course, you can tell that I have different colored skids on my unit. They are for, believe it or not, the Echo style snow thrower, the battery operated style. But it was what they had on hand at the hardware store, and I made them work. You know, tried, instead of throwing parts, try to make, you know, what you can work with what you got available or what you can get your hands on. That's all pretty much how we want to, you know, we try to do, because like I said before, a lot of us don't have the means to be just replacing stuff willy-nilly when it goes to junk on you. So, all right, this is a fairly straightforward type of deal. You know, the most Johnny do-it-yourselfer or what have you can usually figure this out pretty much on their own. But we'll go ahead and get 4 brand new pins. Okay. seal that up so we don't kick it over, spill it all over the garage floor. As my garage floor has got a couple of cracks in it too. Seems to like to pitch up and down. Okay, let's see what we got here. I got 4? Nope, 3. All right. So, all right, guys. Now, just you line up your holes with your auger. And let's try and go this way. Try to stay as much out of the shot as I can. Okay, where'd that one go? Alright, there we are. There we go. First one's in. Take a cotta pin. As soon as you figure out what you did with the hole on the other side of the pin. Okay, there she be. Now, where did I put? There we go. And she just snaps right in. There we go. Looks like maybe I could probably use a little bit of something on that shaft a little bit. Okay. There we go. And they just sit on there. Alrighty. Let's see about keeping you out of the way here. Yeah. Giving me a little more room and you guys a little more room to see. But yeah, if you're just doing a one-time thing, you know, you've gone through maybe every 3 years, maybe buying a 4-pack would be the best for you. But like I said, I service 3 more machines, and for me, it would be beneficial to buy it as this was shipped from CLS R2U, or as I'll probably refer to them on my channel as Closer to You. It's almost like a cryptic license plate, and I don't know if that was their marketing plan or if that was the thing. Like I said, I've just talked to these people by email. So, very cordial, very, very polite. They didn't ask a bunch of intrusive questions. But there's, like I said, there's no money involved. They just asked if they sent it to me, if I would put them on my unit. And, you know, maybe it'll help expose my channel a little more. It will help expose their company a little more. And, you know, be a little beneficial for everybody involved. So, you know, why not? If they're wanting to help me out, I guess I could help them out too. Oh, this one's going to be a little stiffer. Well, I can see it in there. There we are. So yeah, I guess I got a little bit of corrosion going on. Smells like somebody's burning their wood stove today. Yep. Ah, I just love the smell of old hickory. Okay. Sorry if I'm in the way, but you just put your pins in the hole. There we go. There we are. And there you go. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this fired up and spin it around and see what she does for us. Yeah, this piece of little small gauge railroad track, heavy as hell, but it's pretty darn good. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, let's see here. Okay, yeah. You guys have seen me start this before. So let's see if we can give it the old college try without pulling my shoulder out of the socket. Choke. Let's give her 3, yeah, 5. Pop the old ignition key in the old slot. There we go. And let's see what we get. Oh yeah. Good times. So, there you go. Alrighty, and there you have it. So like I said again, I want to give a special thanks to Closer to You, or CLSR2U, for sending me these shear pins. They also offered me the opportunity to reach out to them too if I find that I need anything more for my unit, which I appreciate. Thank you very much. And as always, keep tinkering. Hey Bruno, you want to say goodbye to everybody? There you go. Say goodbye to everybody. Alrighty. Thanks again. Have a safe new year. And thanks for everything. Thanks for your time.